Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Q&A video for you guys. I have been wanting to film a Q&A for absolutely ages, and Enzo is in the room, so if you hear some creeping around, he's creeping. There he is. Got a toy. So I've wanted to film a Q&A for a while now, and I have kind of thought that I've never really opened up on my channel and sort of let you guys get to know me a little bit better, and that way I can kind of share with you more of my life. So I just thought, why not do a Q&A? I'll let you guys ask me anything you want and I will try and answer as many of the questions as I possibly can. So I put out a Ask Me Anything on Instagram, and I got so many questions. It was actually amazing. I love that you guys wanted to know so much, which was awesome. So I've kind of tried to put all the questions into one place. Sorry, all of them are on my phone, and I tried to put all the questions into one place so that I would be sure to not miss anything out. And if you have any other questions at the end of this video, leave them in the comments down below and I will be sure to answer them down there. I've got my cup of coffee because I have a feeling this video is going to be a long one. You guys should grab a cup of coffee or a tea or a nice little snack while you watch this. This cup, by the way, is freaking amazing. This is called an Ember cup, and I don't know about anyone else, but I'm the worst when it comes to making coffee, having 2 sips, putting it down and then being like, oh damn it, it's gone cold. So this was one of the best things ever. I actually stole this from my boyfriend. It's his. But it's pretty awesome. Anyway, okay, let's get into the questions. So I popped it on my Instagram story, as I mentioned, and I did it twice just to kind of make sure everyone saw it and anyone that didn't would. So in the kind of first round of questions, I have a question from Lid Villa, or L-I-D Villa. Do you have a spirit animal? And I don't know if I do have a specific spirit animal, but I absolutely love elephants. I'm obsessed with them. I think they're so beautiful, and they're just kind of gorgeous and majestic, and I guess I would say an elephant maybe, but personality wise I am super energetic and I'm very little. So maybe I don't know, a little monkey or something. I'm not really sure. Something that's what's fast and little. Let me know in the comments down below what you think my spirit animal should be. I feel like my spirit animal is potentially my dog, and so he's always that's basically what I'm like. Then I have 2 questions from my friend Stacey, who wrote me on Instagram. She wrote, will we ever see each other again? And then she wrote, even though we don't see each other, somehow I still feel close to you. Do you know what I mean? And yes, I do know what you mean, 100%. We haven't seen each other for probably 7 years or something insane like that. She lives in Italy, I live in LA, and we used to be really good friends in London. We are still really good friends. We used to see each other almost every day in London for a very long time, so it's always weird when you have a friend like that and then you go to not seeing each other very much. But yes, love you girl, we'll see each other very, very soon. Then I have a question from Love Straw Perry, and she says, how do you stay in shape? Oh, you going out, Enz? You gonna lay down? He's all investigating the room. It's so funny, the second I start filming, he's just wants to move around, and the whole time I was setting up, he just laid on my bed and didn't move. So I would say, how do I stay in shape? So I will quickly mention that I'm vegetarian. I have been since I was 6 years old. And then kind of on the workout side of things, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more about life, wellness, fitness, that type of thing, because it's a huge part of my life and I love talking about that stuff. But I've always kind of made fashion my main focus on this channel. But if you'd like to see more of that sort of stuff, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be very happy to start working on that type of content for you guys. And then generally how I stay in shape is, 1, I have a dog. I have an almost 2-year-old black English lab. He is a ton of energy. I take him on hikes, walks, that sort of stuff almost every day. We go on a walk every single day. And then in terms of hiking, I am really lucky. Out where I live, I can literally go on a hike right outside my door, and I talk about it a lot on my Instagram stories because I'm always hiking. I absolutely love hiking. And I think even before I had a dog, I still hiked all the time. And I probably do sort of 3 miles every day with him, thereabouts. Not crazy anything, but I do that. I used to walk so much in London, so for me getting out and like walking feels really good, because in LA you kind of drive everywhere, so I never really get to walk. So getting that hike in really gets me that kind of like cardio walk in. And then I am an absolute lover, obsessed with Reformer Pilates. It's my jam. I used to do Pilates, like regular mat Pilates, for a long time when I lived in London. And then when I moved to LA, I discovered Reformer Pilates, and I have never looked back. It's the best workout ever. I feel like it creates like really strong, lean muscle that I honestly think that my like tone has been the best from doing that ever. I would like to go more. Right now I probably go like twice a week, maybe 3 times if I'm having like a good week. And I would like to go more. I think if I went every day, I could get myself in like crazy shape, which maybe I'll give myself that as a challenge. I just kind of have been prioritizing other things. I also have really learned to listen to my body, which is something I have learned it's something I've learned over the years. I used to be such a like, must work out. It was almost like a stress part of my day. It was like, had it on the schedule, needed to do it. And then I started listening to my body a lot more. So like, if it's my time of the month, I don't really work out, or I'll do something really light. Or if someone's going to do something that I know I'm probably not going to enjoy, I just don't go and do it. And I honestly, just listening to my body has been the best thing ever. When I'm tired, I rest, and when I want to work out, I really go for it and I really push myself. So I think that's probably my like biggest thing that I've learned about working out and keeping my body in like good working order. And then also like, if you're craving something, unless it's sugar, it tends to be that your body's really needing it. So I kind of like really listen to myself. I'm craving, like, sounds crazy, but I genuinely crave greens, I crave salad, I crave protein, I crave different things at different times. So I kind of just listen to myself, I guess, and that's been one of my like big key things for staying in shape. And like, when I want to have a pizza, I just have a pizza and I don't stress about it. I guess that's the biggest thing. Wow, sorry, that was a really long and rambling answer, but I hope that answers your question. Then Chloe HNZ asks, what's your go-to outfit, the outfit combo that never fails, the outfit combo in your closet that never fails? I used to probably say like a cute dress, some little ankle boots and a leather jacket, but now I'm such a lover of like jeans and a t-shirt. People that like friends with me in London will be like, that is the most un-you thing. I used to say like jeans were the worst thing ever. They were so uncomfortable. I didn't understand how people wore them. I love jeans now. I literally live in them most days of the week. I have a pair of Levi's. I will leave a link to them down below, but they are my absolute go-to favourite jeans ever to wear. They're like boyfriend jeans, and they're stiffer, but they're like the perfect size for me, where they're a tiny bit loose. So they just feel like really comfortable to wear all the time. I love like dressing them up and down. I actually did a video where I talked about kind of like my wardrobe staples. I'll be sure to link that on the screen. You guys should check that out if you're looking for like a go-to outfit. I feel like those pieces that I have in my wardrobe kind of create that for me. So like a great leather jacket, whether it's high end, mid, low end, find one that fits you, find one that works. I had a leather jacket for years. It was from H&M and I loved it. It fit me so well. Then I had one from River Island that I loved, and now I have an All Saints one that I just absolutely love, and I think I'll just have forever. But honestly, it doesn't matter how much you spend. I think find one that just fits, and then you'll just wear it you'll wear it all the time. And the same with jeans. Find a great pair of jeans. I am someone with t-shirts. Like, I love a white tee. I have done both things. I've invested in one, and then I've also kind of bought cheaper ones, and I honestly think whatever works for you. I've been trying to be really conscious about buying more sustainable fabrics, so I love that like H&M now do more sustainable fabrics, so they're a great option on the kind of lower end. And then I love like a James Purse t-shirt on the high end, but they're really expensive. So yeah, I think it's really a case of just like finding good key basics that work for you, and then you can build an outfit. But I would say my go-to outfit is leather jacket, great tee,